So it's Brad's birthday coming up. I want to make him something special, and one of his favorite childhood treats was like a whoopie pie. And so I found this recipe. This is in the Paleohacks Keto Sweets Cookbook. It's called Oreos, but it reminds me of a whoopie pie, like a chocolate cookie with vanilla cream frosting inside. So I know he's gonna love that. You wanna make it with me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's make it. Look at this Oreo cookie, homemade Oreo. That frosting is so creamy. It's amazing. This will help keep your blood sugar stable because there's no sugar in this, even though it tastes sweet. It is sugar-free. You're gonna fulfill your cravings and feel like you're having something sweet without causing yourself more struggles and more cravings. It'll satisfy the cravings that you do have without causing you to crave more. So if you've been struggling with portion control but still wanting sweets and constantly craving sweets, I would definitely recommend to try swapping out your regular favorites for all the alternatives that are given in this book. There's so many options here. Ice cream, candies, cookies, cakes, all of it. You can find the link to this book in the description box down below. It comes in a digital version or this paper version. It's a nice slim book. Open up that description box to get your copy.